Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy and you're watching a Rover auction review special. It's been a while. I've been busy. It's not all about car stuff all the time. I've been doing stuff around the house with the family, enjoying the summer, all that kind of stuff. And wrenching on the D1. It's taking a lot of time to do a lot of that DIY stuff. But we're back with a pretty awesome Rover auction special, and what we have is a chop top custom, topless, roofless, the best form of a Range Rover Classic, and that is with the permanent sunroof. And this one is out of California. It's a 92 county, and it is done fairly well. This seems to be a period conversion. I'm sure there is a name for it. I mean, these pop up every once in a while, usually not in the States. But I really kind of like the way that they did this one. And if you don't like chop top Range Rovers, especially Range Rover Classics, the ideal way to utilize and enjoy one of these fine automobiles, and you can go watch yourself elsewhere. See, that's the price. Not even worried about it. It seems kind of like a deal. You can't buy this type of class anywhere else in the world and have that same Range Rover experience. But there's no information, which is fine, because when you've got that much substance baked into one beautiful multi-purpose automobile, descriptions are not warranted here. Lot of actually, not so many findings or anything like that. It's just the pictures really tell the story, right? So you got 41,000 miles. It is a 91 low mileage, rust-free 91 county. So the truck itself looks pretty clean. I can't remember. There is an aftermarket name for this coach builder. I can't remember it off the top of my head. But custom wheels look like Mercedes Penta wheels that are in period, and black with that white interior. And now this one threw me off because you're looking at the license plate on the left side, which is not under where the lights for the license plate would be. So it kind of gives you a hint that there's something going on here. I mean, that is a solid trunk top, boot top, whatever you want to call it, on the tailgate. I mean, this is very coach built custom. This is not just a thrown together Spanish Restoration special. This is a period conversion. Okay, and it even has a little roll bar that connects the two B pillars. Again, it seems very well done. White leather interior. I mean, that there's no pictures with the top up, which is a little scary. It's probably never been up. Why would you put the top up in such a magnificent beast? But look at this white leather on black interior. I mean, that looks good. I mean, even for now, that looks good. Just the two-tone nature of that. And that's before people did a lot of two-tone leather. I'm smelling a lot of like AMG kind of 80s Mercedes vibes with that conversion. But a frame and an underside you can eat off of. Again, California car, 41,000 miles. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a pretty clean Rover, regardless of the status or the lack of status of the roof. You've got an 80s era alarm system, which I'm sure will completely immobilize the car outside of the button pushing. And okay, this is where your dimmer switches and really what I'm seeing here is that they legitimately covered everything with leather. They didn't just paint the existing trim white or something like that. If you start looking at these next photos, 41,000 miles, it shows that all of the interior trim pieces have been legitimately wrapped in leather. Like that two-tone steering wheel combination, leather steering wheel, the whole console bit and everything with the dark Borrowwood wood. I mean, that looks good for today. I mean, I'm sure it looks worse in person, but that looks cool. Some more views of the top. I mean, it actually has that little vestibule behind the passenger rear seats for your speaker trays, just like a real convertible would. And yeah, you can see the rest of those seats. They've obviously been redone. Like I said, it doesn't look like they've just been painted. I mean, it looks like it's legitimately a different leather, which is cool. Okay, here you go. This is how the trunk boot. I mean, they even integrated the factory light at the back of that trunk. I mean, completely unusable. I wonder if they relocated the rest of the license plate illumination equipment, but you can also see a bigger, beefier sway bar on the back, which, it's probably touching the gas tank and all that. But, that's not the point. The point is they modified this to structurally account for the additions here. Now, I wonder if that's actually blue. I can't really tell. But look at those door panels wrapped in leather. I mean, that's pretty good. I can appreciate the effort. That's, more than I think people do with these things these days. And the seats, all in great condition. You can see the remnants of the car phone that was installed there. I mean, again, this thing was done properly. I don't really know what else to say. It's awesome. It's pretty cool. And this is even the most wild part is look at this. This is an under tray, some type of semi-factory, non-factory under tray that they have sitting between the ground and the motor. That's the front of the vehicle. And that is to prevent drips. Interesting. That's all I got to say. I've never seen that. It's not a factory option that I've ever encountered or seen or been aware of. Let me know in the comments what you think. So that is, oh wait, here, give me a running. Yeah, sounds like a 3.9 Rover. Again, 41,000 miles should be fine. I mean, again, I am very pleased with this one. There's been a lot of interesting stuff to come up for sale recently, just a lot of $100,000 bad Defender builds, but this one really takes the cake. Again, let me know in the comments what you think. If incomparable to a G-Wagon or something else that is a cabriolet of the time period in this interesting automotive venue we live in, I think this is pretty cool. I would take it. I think it would turn more heads than anything else on the road. So that's going to be it for this one. Catch you on the next one.